I'm Steve Turano. Welcome to this episode of Body Performance. Today I want to talk to you about what you should eat in order to lose weight. Now, there isn't one person who doesn't know we are supposed to be eating a well-balanced diet. Is this news to people? I mean, you've already heard, don't eat too much red meat. Don't take in too much saturated fat. Eat lots of fish so you get omega-3 fatty acids. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Eat them all day long, 5-6 times a day. Drink lots of water. Don't eat too much processed sugar or processed flour. Eat beans and lots of legumes and nuts and things like that. Who doesn't know this? We are the most educated people in the world. Unfortunately, we're still the fattest. Now, is this helping anybody? Not really. We know what we're supposed to eat, but we just don't know what we're supposed to eat to lose weight. Well, let me tell you. Real weight loss experts, I mean people who have PhDs and master's degrees in biochemistry and even some MDs, they know this, that it doesn't matter what you stick in your mouth. Could be a protein, could be a carbohydrate, could be a liquid, it doesn't matter. Your body has the ability to convert it and save it as fat. Knowing this, you should now realize that it's not what you eat that causes weight loss. What's more important is how much you eat. That's the key factor here. You can have the healthiest diet in the world. If you don't burn up those unused calories, they will be stored as fat. You can have the worst diet in the world. If you burn up all those calories and run a calorie deficit, you will lose weight. So, keeping this in mind, at the end of the day, you should not worry about what you ate. You should be more worried about how much you ate. And more importantly, you should be more worried about what you have done to burn off that food. So, eat less, exercise more, say your prayers, take your vitamins, and keep your hands to yourself. Love your body. I'll see you next time.